to week number 2 of our kicking unit for prep in remote learning. You did so well with your kicking activities last week, even though it was really tricky to weave and dribble the ball in and out of your teddies. You all did an amazing job. So we're back and we're going to do some more kicking this week. This week is a submission task, so you do need to send me a video on how you're going with your kicking activities so I can give you a little bit of feedback and encouragement. Like usual, we want to make sure we've got a few teddies and a ball to kick so we can have fun together doing our activities. For our activity number 1, we're going to practice our kicking, trying to use the inside part of our foot, and we're going to try and hit the laundry basket. As you can see, we've got a teddy hanging from the side of our laundry basket, and while we play this game, you'll see why. Every time you kick the ball and it manages to hit the basket, you're allowed to go and put another toy in the basket. Now, you're going to try and keep kicking until all of your toys are in your basket.
Do you really want it? Yeah! Do you really want it? Yeah! Do you really want it? Yeah! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Ole, ole, ole! Ole, ole, ole! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go, go! Here we go! Yeah!
Alright, activity number 2, we're going to ask one of your family members to roll the ball to you along the ground, because the skill I want you to try and learn to do is to kick it when the ball is being rolled to you. I want you to try and kick it 10 times.
The cup of life, this is the one. Now is the time, don't ever stop. Push it along, gotta be strong. Push it along, right to the top. The feelings in your soul is gonna...
Now, activity number 3, we're going to learn how to punt a ball. With a punt, instead of the ball starting on the ground, we're going to hold it with our hands, we're going to drop the ball, and then we're going to try and kick it before it lands on the ground. You want to try and put your hands like a rocket, and then down into a soldier position. Take a couple of steps forward, drop the ball, and then kick the ball with your laces, with your foot pointing. Now, to put that skill into an activity, we're going to use our laundry basket again. We're going to stand a little bit away from the laundry basket. You're going to try and punt the ball and get it in. Wherever the ball lands, you're going to run, collect it, and then have another kick until you can get it into the bucket.
Take control, nothing can hold you back if you really want it. I see it in your eyes, you want the cup of life. Now that the day is here, gotta go and get it.
Do you really want it? Yeah! Do you really want it? Yeah! Here we go! Ole, ole, ole! Go, go, go!
Alright, for our game today, we're going to have a race against a family member. In your laundry tub that we've been using for the whole lesson, you need to put in quite a few pieces of different balls or teddies. Then, you and your family member both need a ball you can dribble. If you've only got one, then maybe you can dribble a teddy or something like that. Now, you dribble your ball up like we practiced last week, and when you get to the tub, you you pick out one thing and hold it in your hands. Then you need to dribble all the way back to your starting point and place it on the ground. That is worth 1 point. Then you go again and keep going until the timer runs out. We're going to play this game for 2 minutes and see which player in your family ends up with the most pieces of equipment. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ole, ole, ole. Tonight's the night. We're gonna celebrate the come of life. Ole, ole, ole.
The cup of life, it's do or die. It's here, it's now. Turn up the lights. Push it along, then let it roll. Push it along, go, go, go. And when you feel the heat, the world is at your feet. No one can hold you down if you really want it. Just feel your destiny right from the hands of feet.
Here's Kylie's pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Miss Snell's pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like I won this time. Maybe Kylie will win the next round. Spot and Dot here. Hope you had a really fun time doing our kicking activities. Don't forget that this week is a submission task, so that means you need to take a video and send it to me. Have fun and happy kicking.